We are back here on Carolina Women. Erin, we have the best guest ever.
We do.
Josh Lieberman's here from Restore. It's great to see you.
Thanks for having me.
I know, it's so exciting. We're kind of doing make new friends but keep the old here. You know, it's fun to actually have you in person and chat a little bit for the few people who may not know what Restore is. Can you share with us a little bit about some of the things that you do around wellness?
Sure. So Restore it's called Restore Hyper Wellness. It's been a business for about 9 years. It started in Austin, Texas.
Okay.
And that's where this guy, Jim Donnelly, he was the CEO. He had this great idea of the healthcare system is broken.
Yep.
It's a sick care model. I want to do something on the front end. Let's try and prevent
Proactive.
sickness. Prevent sickness versus wait till you get sick.
And make people feel better.
And ultimately make
Day to
people
day.
feel better day to day, or at least help them with just their life goals. Whether that's I'm getting older and I want to age better, or I wanted to have higher energy because I work a lot, or I want to decrease my stress because I work a lot, or whatever it might be. So there's ways that we can better understand your lifestyle and apply certain holistic.
What are the ways you do that? I'm
Well,
very
let
interested.
me ask, me too, and I want to ask a pointed question. So I'm 70 years old. She's much, much, much younger. So we decide to come in together.
Sure.
What would that look like? Kind of take us through the process. Is there an intake, and then is there an individualized treatment plan for us?
So it's very guided. So it's very consultative, and then if you've never been here before, you should give us a call, go on the app, whatever it is, schedule a consultation. You can do it together. You can do it together, you can do it individually. The guided portion, or what we call a wellness plan, is very much individualized. And it's based on how you feel, what you're trying to accomplish.
Got it.
What do you do day to day? What's your time limit? So how much time do you have?
Makes sense.
Right?
Okay.
And then how does it fit into your life?
So what are some services that you specifically offer that might be of interest?
Sure. Oh, very interested. A lot of people like our skin health services. So we offer a hydrofacial service. So, the skin is the largest organ on your body, so let's make sure that it's healthy so the rest of you feels great.
What does that mean? What is a hydrofacial?
Hydrofacial, it uses a patented technology. Hydrofacial is a company.
Got it. Okay.
And so we use their piece of technology, extractions, exfoliations, hydrations, nourishment, different types of customizable boosters to help you with specific concerns.
Men and women both?
Men and women both.
Because we've got guys out here today. And again, we've got all different ages. Are you seeing just an age range?
Good range. Yep, anywhere, honestly, 21 to 81.
See?
Okay, so you're treating our skin, and then you also do infusions, which are targeting things on the inside of our body.
Right, and so if you feel that you are fatigued, again, stressed, dealing with some sort of immune disorder, or just I want to boost my immune system, I want to help my skin from
All
the
those
inside.
things,
Yep.
Right?
yes.
So we have registered nurses, we have nurse practitioners, we have medical directors that define and set up our protocols so everything is safe.
So someone with those ailments or complaints, what would you create in an infusion that would actually benefit them? Like what's a typical maybe sample?
Perfect. We have probably 25 to 30 different micronutrients that we can customize and pick from based on the reasons you're here. Right? Okay. So there's a blood test that we can offer that literally measure deficiencies of nutrients in the body.
Okay.
And so we can curate and build an IV that's specific to what your body needs because we tested for that. Or on your first time, you just come in, you sort of describe how you feel or how you want to feel. Maybe you're getting ready for a competition, maybe you're after a competition, you need to recover, or you're just trying to manage life.
And when you look at those results, do you see like, wow, that person really was fatigued because of A, B, and C?
Correct. So,
do you also teach lifestyle alterations? You talked a little bit about sleep, and because I do so much with sleep, I think that's a really important.
We try.
Okay.
We definitely try. We definitely talk to you about different lifestyle changes.
Right.
Give
But
them the
restore to the client is a commitment, right? It's a lifestyle. Right?
Got it.
Become part of the lifestyle, become part of the community, right? And we'll teach you how to live a better life or a more full life. We'll try and extend the health span that you have, right? So health span versus lifespan. A lifespan is how many years you live. Health span is really how many of those years are good years.
Right.
And
the
so
vitality.
I want to extend your health span. And that's what Restore is trying to do for the individual.
Feeling good.
Feeling good, feeling better.
Wow.
What is the most popular, if you will, introduction to Restore that you've experienced?
People ultimately find us for 3 different services.
Okay.
The cryotherapy that we have, so our cold therapy.
Yes, like
right?
polar plunge on steroids.
I've tried that before, and I really liked it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Awesome. Huge boost of energy, great for your metabolism, good for your sleep. It's just really good for you. The IV infusions, right, and then the hydrofacial are typically the 3 things that people come and find us. Yes.
Exactly. Right. We will come see you. You will come back to Carolina Women. It's been great to kind of get this broad spectrum view, and it's great to see you too.
It's great to see you as well.
Stay with us. More to come here on Carolina Women.